These reusable and eco-friendly bread bags are crafted from durable linen and natural breathability while preventing excess air exposure, keeping your bread fresh without trapping moisture. It's perfect for home bakers and for sourdough lovers. These sandwich bread, bagels, and smaller baguettes fits in here. Preserves softness, crust, and flavor that it's safer than plastic, better than paper, and keeps any type of bread fresh for days. It's ideal for anyone who values clean, natural storage. With a double lock seal with zipper for ultimate freshness. Designed for countertop and cold storage, whether it's in the fridge or freezer, the preserve your breath has and will keep texture, flavor while preventing drying or freezer burn.